So welcome to quant section. So this is the quantitative aptitude section questions. So following table gives the details of items sold by two different stores, that is store A and store B, and among them percentage of number of items purchased by females are given. So days store A, store B, etc. So days, total items, percentage of items purchased by females, and total items, percentage of items purchased by females. So here they didn't given in both of the stores, they are only given percentage of items purchased by females. Okay, and so here is from Monday to Friday. So from this table you can easily answer so this is data interpretation. From this table you can easily answer the questions given below. So question is, items purchased by females from store A on Wednesday and Thursday together is how much more less than the total items purchased by males from store B on Thursday and Friday together. So here see, here they have asked about females, and here it is directly given the females percentage, everything. So if they are asking female, just see about from which store they are asking and you can easily calculate. The percentage is directly given. See here, 335 by 40 into 100, 335 into 40 by 100 plus 360 into 60 by 100 equals to 134 plus 216 equals to 350 is the answer. Sorry, 350. And at the same time they are also asked about males. See, when it comes to males, Thursday and Friday, what you have to do here is, see, males Thursday and Friday, this is from store B. Okay, so here you can easily tell that from store B, right? 380 into, see, this is 25%. If we remove 25% from the 100, the remaining is 75%. So that 75% you have to take into consideration when it is asked about males, because this 25% is about females. I think you have understood the point. So 450. So 450 minus 350 by 450 into 100, that is 22 2 by 9. So for this 22 2 by 9 you have to be perfect about percentage to fractions and fractions to percentages for knowing this. And the second question is, find the respective ratio between total number of items purchased by males from store A on Tuesday and Wednesday together to the total number of items purchased by females from store B on Thursday and Friday together. So 280 into 55 by 100 plus 335 into 60 by 100 equals to 355. And at the same time, see, however they are given, you have to do all these calculations. And coming to third question, find the total number of items purchased by males from store B on all the given days together. On all the given days together means, see, so if you want to know the males percentage, I already said you have to take, so if it is females percentage is 25%, then you have to remove that 25% from the 100, and the remaining percentage you have to take it into consideration into males percentage. So like that, from store B Monday to Friday, all the items with percentages you have to do and add all the numbers, then you will get the answer. See, if you are getting any doubt, you can see easily, I kept here the solved papers, and at the same time you can pause the video and you can practice it easily. Coming to fourth question, total items purchased on Thursday and Friday together of store A is what percentage of total items purchased on Wednesday and Thursday purchased on store B? This is also same like the previous question. If the total items, fifth question, if the total items purchased from store A and store B on Saturday are 20% and 30% more respectively, then the total items sold by store A and store B on Wednesday, then find the total number of items purchased from store A and store B on Saturday. So these are the total items purchased from store A on Saturday, that is 402. So how you got this 402 means 335 into 20%, which is 402, and total items purchased from store B on Saturday, that is 270 into 30% is 351. So you have to add both the numbers, then you will be getting answer. Sixth question, so this is the number series question. So 7 comma 4 comma 5 comma 8.5 comma 20 comma 52.5 comma 160.5. So here the series is 7 into 0.5 plus 1.5. See 0.5 1 1.5 2 2.5 3. The 0.5 is increasing, so that 0.5 you have to do multiplication plus addition. So here wrong number is 8.5, which should be replaced with 9. Seventh question, what should be the next number? 7 comma 10 comma 8 comma 11 comma 9 comma 12. So here the series is nothing but doing plus 3, and the next step is doing minus 2. Again the same, doing plus 3 and minus 2. You have to remind this series. Coming to 8th question, this is also exactly same. See, into 0.5 into 1 into 2. See here 0.5 increased, here 1 increased, here 1.5 increased, here 2 increased. Okay, and here 2 increased, and yes, 3.5 plus 2 5.5, and 5.5 plus 2.5, how much? 8. So here wrong number is 36, which should be replaced by 42. Series 14,700, 2100, 12600, and just a minute, 12600, 2500, 1000, 10,080, 3360, 6720. So this is nothing but you have to come decreasing one by one item, and at the same time you have to use only 2, that is division multiplication, division multiplication. This is a series. And 10th question, this is given in decimal points. So here this is 4.5 square and plus 3. Yes, in decimal you have to increase here 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3, that is 4.5 square. So this trick you have to keep in mind, because we cannot be striking easily with this. 11th question, from a vessel of 45 liters, 9 liter is taken, which is full of milk. 9 liter milk is taken out and completely replaced with water. Again 9 liter mixture is taken out and completely replaced with water. So 2 times it is taken out and replaced with water. Find the quantity of milk left in the final mixture. Okay, so here 9 liter of milk is replaced by 9 liter water, and this process is repeated one more time. So here 45, 1 minus 9 by 45 whole square equals to 45, 1 minus 1 by 45, 1 by 5 whole square. So you have taken here common. So 45, 4 by 5 square, 45 into 16 by 25 equals to 28.8 liter. 12th question, if train A starts from P at 8 am and train B starts from Q at 10 am towards Q and P respectively, if total distance between P to Q is 594 km and speed of train A, train P are 63 km per hour and 54 km per hour respectively, then find at what distance from Q will they cross each other, that is in 1 km. So this total distance between P to Q is 594 km. Relative speed equals to 63 plus 54, 117 km per hour, and the distance travelled by train A in 2 hours is 63 into 2, 126, and remaining distance equals to 594 minus 126, that is 468 km. Time required to cover remaining distance 468 by 117 equals to 4 hours. So distance travelled by train B in 4 hours equals to 54 into 4, that is 216 kilometers. So if you have any doubt, pause the video, and where you are getting doubt you can see here, because it is clearly solved. Coming to 13th question, this is probability question. If there are 8 balls, 8 red balls, 6 green balls, 4 blue balls in a basket, find the probability of selecting at least one red ball if 2 balls are selected randomly from the basket. So 8C1 into 10C 8C1 into 10C1 by 18C2 plus 8C2 by 18C2. 80 by 153 plus 28 by 153, that is 12 by 17. Question number 14. A and B entered into partnership with 2500 and 4500 respectively, and C joined them after 5 months with amount 2400, and if total profit at the end of the year is 16,800, then find the difference between profit amount earned by B and C is. So A stayed completely 1 year and B stayed completely 1 year and C stayed only 7 months because it is joined after 5 months. So 25, so you have to cancel 2 zeros. So 25 into 12 by 12, 45 into 12 by 12 and 24 into 7 by 12. So we got these values. A difference in profit amount earned by B and C. 45 minus 14 into 16,800 by 84, 6,200. 15th question. So these are related to ages. The present ages of father and son in the ratio 3:1 respectively, and if 6 years later the ratio of their ages becomes 7:3, then find the age of the son 3 years ago. So let the present age of father and son is 3x and x years respectively. So here you have to take 3x plus 6 by x plus 6 equals to 3x plus 6 by x plus 6 equals to 7 by 3, and 9x plus 18 equals to 7x plus 42. So here 9x minus 7x, which gives the result 2x, and 42 minus 18 equals to 24. So x equals to 12. The age of son 3 years ago equals to x minus 3, that is 12 minus 3 equals to 9 years. Coming to simplification question. Root 961 plus root 1369 minus root 1444 equals to root 361 plus question mark. So you have to be well versed with square roots, cube roots, how to find squares and cubes, percentage to fractions, fractions to percentages, and how to find multiplication, how to calculate multiplication, addition, subtraction, all this quickly if you are preparing for bank exams. Okay, so square root of 961 is 31 here, and square root of 1369 is 37. So square root of 1444 is 38 equals to the square root of 361 is 19 plus square root question mark equals to 30 minus 19 equals to 11. 11 square is 121. 17th question. 52,500 divided by 7 plus 64,680 divided by 6 equals to 19,500 minus question mark. So this you have to do, remember, by applying BODMAS rule. Simplifications, wherever the simplifications you are doing, you have to calculate it by using BODMAS rule. 7,500 plus 10,780 equals to, okay. Coming to next question. 28.5 plus 28.5 into 34 plus 2320 divided by 8 equals to 36 square minus question mark. So this is 969 plus 290 equals to 1296 minus question mark. So answer is 37. So see, all these are simplifications. So let's coming to compound interest and simple interest. 21st question. Ravi deposited 1500 in a scheme which offers compound interest 15% per annum for 2 years, and if due to some emergency he withdrew 10,000 rupees at the end of the first year, what amount will Ravi get at the end of the second year? So total amount at the end of the first year is 15,000 plus 15,000 into 15 by 100, that is 17,250, and due to some emergency he withdrew 10,000 rupees from the scheme. So the amount left in the scheme is 17,250 minus 10,000 equals to 7,250, and the total amount Ravi got at the end of the second year is 7250 plus 7250 into 15 by 100 equals to 8337.5. Coming to next question, the ratio of volume of the cylinder to that of a cone having same height is 27:36. If the sum of the sum means here addition, sum of the radii of cylinder and cone is 45 centimeter, then what is the area of rectangle whose sides are equal to the radii of the cylinder and cone? So let the radius of the cylinder and cone can be r centimeter and capital R centimeter and height equals to h respectively. So given pi r square h ratio 1 by 3rd pi r square h equals to 27:36. By solving this we are getting 450 centimeter square. Coming to 23rd question, P can do a piece of work alone in 30 days. If P and Q together can do 2 by 3rd of the same work in 8 days, then find in how many days Q alone can complete 3 by 4th of the same work. So P and Q together can complete 2 by 3rd of the total work in 8 days. 2 by 3rd into 8, that is 12 days. So total work can be completed by 12 days by P and Q working together. So the let time taken by Q alone to complete the work be B days. 1 by 30 plus 1 by B equals to 1 by 12, and 1 by B equals to 1 by 12 minus 1 by 30. So the answer is 3 by 60. Sorry, 1 by B, that is Q. You have to do this. Q alone can complete the total work in 20 days. 3 by 60 means nothing but 3 20s are 60. So you are getting 20. So here time taken to complete 3 by 4th work by Q alone is 15 days. That is 3 by 4 into 20. Because Q was 3 by 4. And next is related to pipes and cistern. A pipe can fill a tank in 4 hours, but due to a leak it takes 6 hours to completely fill up the tank. If the pipe is closed, the leak will empty 55 liters in 4 hours. What is the capacity of the tank? In 2 hours, pipe and leakage can fill 1 by 3rd part of the tank. So in 4 hours, the leakage can empty 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3 or 1 by 6 of the tank. So in 2 hours, the leakage can empty 55 by 2 liter. 1 by 6 of the tank equals to 55 by 2 into 6, 165 liter. A boat which takes 6 hours to travel, this is boats and streams question. A boat which takes 6 hours to travel 105 km in still water goes 364 km in upstream and return back to the initial point. If rate of a stream is 9 by 26 of upstream speed of boat, then find how much approximate time did it take in the entire journey. So in still water, the speed of the boat is 105 by 6, that is 17.5 km per hour. So by solving this, we are getting approximate 45 hours. And from 26th question, these are quadratic equations. So here it is solved and kept, so you can watch it. By passing you can watch it. So there are I can see 5 quadratic equation questions. So let me tell, this last question is x square plus so there are 2 statements will be given, that is x square plus 13x plus 42, y square plus 16y plus 63. So you have to solve by taking common factor, and you have to say what is x is greater than y or y is greater than x, or both are same. You have to mark here. So here x is greater than or equals to y. Coming to back, the previous question is also same. So here the 2 statements are given, 3x minus 14x plus 15 equals to 0, and second statement 5y square minus 14y plus 81 equals to 0. So we have to solve by taking common factor. The values we got are x equals to 3 comma 5 by 3, and by solving second statement 5y square minus 14y plus 8 equals to 0. So y equals to 2, 4 by 5. So here x if x equals to y, then there is no relation can be established between x and y. Yes. 28th question, x square minus 11x plus 30, y square minus 15y plus 56, 5x minus 6x plus 30. So here also x is less than y. So coming to 27th question, so this is a very short question, actually no need of high calculation. X square equals to 4, y power 5 equals to 32. So x equals to plus or minus 2. When y power 5 equals to 32, then y equals to 2. Yes, 2 power 5 means 32, no? And 26th question, 6x square plus 5x plus 1 equals to 0, 2y square plus 5y plus 3 equals to 0. So by taking common factor you have to solve this, and x equals to 1 by 3 comma 1 by 2 we got. And when it comes to second statement, y equals to minus 3 by 2 comma 1 we got. So x greater than or equals to y. So this is about quantitative aptitude section. Thank you.